Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, whole sheet of questions today that I'm recording. So, the first person asks about tips for starting an online business in Arizona. All right, it's a good question. Thank you for thinking about that in advance before starting your business and trying to fix it later. So, okay, if I'm working with somebody who's starting a business, some of the first things I think about are you're going to need a business entity, so an LLC or a corporation. You're going to need a separate bank account for that business entity so that your corporate veil stays intact. I often recommend that you get QuickBooks to manage the money. Talk to your attorney about your contract needs. Make sure that everything is set up properly in advance. Especially if you're doing online business, your contract may in part be your terms of service on your site. A lot of people think they can throw those together at the last minute and that whatever they put will be fine. But your terms of service are actually a contract between you and your customers. So be careful. When you're selecting your business name, you want to make sure it's available. So verify it with the trademark office. Just because you can get the domain you want doesn't mean that you're not violating someone else's trademark rights. And those are some of the highlights that I think about right off the bat. You want to make sure that you are setting yourself up on the right foot so that you don't have to go back and redo a lot of work. Like if someone picks a bad business name, they have to do all, rebrand everything. And I've definitely had to help people with their terms of service when they wrote it wrong the first time and had to go back and fix it. So if nothing else, if you're on a shoestring budget, at least have a consultation with a lawyer so that they can go over all their recommendations, and hopefully they will also explain to you what you can do yourself and what you really should let somebody else do for you. So, of course, if you have any questions about the legalities of your business, consult an attorney in your community. But I hope this has been helpful for you. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.